Hello everyone, going to do a review about this model from GCD, one of my favorite diecast brands. It's a Toyota Hilux SR5 Extra Cab 9085. Licensed product, that is what we like here. Here we have the barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. Now let's not wait any longer and open the package. Comes in a nice display case, and the cool thing is you don't have any screws. Oh yeah, for the dust and the sticky fingers. Whee. So here it is in a gray color. There are different color variations. Smiley lights in the front. What does it say? Day lighter. Nice lanced lights in the front. We do have very good suspension. And nice interior. Let's see if we can focus a little bit better. Oh. This is plastic. This is all die-cast. Nice paint, by the way. Also smileys on top. Daylighters. Here we have the back. And we also have an opening part. Hey! Landslides, Hilux 4-wheel drive, license plate, mud flaps, rubber spare tire, same as the one that's on the car. Be careful. And a very nice metal base. Yeah. GCD is, in my opinion, famous for their metal bases and their very realistic looking cars. Another cool feature, it got steering wheels. Yep. Fantastic. And the last but not least, we have an opening part with some engine details. Closes very well. So overall, a very cool looking Toyota Hilux. Is there room for improvement? Well, Japanese license plate or an American license plate would be cool. A weathered version is also very welcome. I mean, this car is for off-road, so why not a weathered version? But no, I think it's very, very, very good. Thank you very much, GCD. Thank you for watching my video. Have a very good day. And don't forget to like and share. Click, click, click. Bye.